Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Sa ngayon, ito yung bibihirang advice na gawin mo. Pero if you want to have a unique advice, meron din naman ako mabibigay na unique advice. Aside sa mga generic advice na meron tayo, like self-improvement, yung kasi parang, ang tatamad nyo kasi para mag-improve no? Kasalanan nyo din at the end of the day Pero kung masisipag lang kayo at hindi kayo mga puro imagination people, baka talagang mag-i-improve ang life nyo. Lalo na kung tinake nyo seriously na gusto nyo gumanti sa ex nyo. Like for example, gusto nyo magigante gamit ang self-improvement. That's absolutely the best revenge that you can do. Or gumawa kayo ng mga bagay-bagay para ayusin ang sarili nyo nang hindi kayo nagyayabang, hindi kayo nagmamalaki. Yung talagang proud kayo sa sarili nyo lang. You are not showboating everyone na, oh, nag-self-improve ako dahil sa breakup. Parang ang lame nun no? Pero kung tingin mong hindi na unique yun, yung self-improvement advice, meron pa rin namang ibang unique advice. Masasabi ko effective. Effective din naman. Usually effective ito. And that is the old advice na ginagamit pa rin naman until now. And that is the word law of attraction. Maybe you are not really engaged with it. Maybe it's not your first time to hear it. But I'm gonna explain it further. Law of attraction is when you meditate while believing it. I'm not saying that just meditating it. I'm just saying that you believe that it will happen. Diba? So, law of attraction, you are thinking about how you can get or what you want to happen in life. Like for example, nilo-law of attraction mo yung mga bahay, lupa, gold, or money, or anything. And what you need to do is just to meditate and to believe that 100%. Kung kaya sana as much as you can. You just need to meditate, you need to cool down, you need to think of it, you need to imagine it, and you need to claim it. And that's how law of attraction works. So, isa sa mga ginagamit sa law of attraction is to get your ex back. Ginagamit siya ng mga iilang coaches. Pero para sa akin, merong maling part. Kasi yung mga iilang coaches na gumagamit ng law of attraction, ginagamit nila na iniisip daw yung ex na mababalik sa buhay nila. But that's not my thing I think kapag gagamit ka ng law of attraction, you need to think beyond that. You need to think and you need to meditate about yourself. It is not him or her na minimeditate mo. It is yourself to be more attractive, to be more competent, to be more powerful. Instead of meditating your ex to get her or him back in your life, you should meditate about your life, about what you want, about your dreams. Maybe this is somehow a different type of advice, but in my case, bakit mo i-meditate yung ex mo na bumalik sa'yo? It's not law of attraction at all. It's law of insecurity. What you are doing is because of your insecurity and neediness. Now, you are very, very thirsty and you want to tank that kind of thirstiness na meron ka. Gusto mong gusto mong ma-fulfill yung uhaw mo sa ex mo. Ang gagawin mo, magme-meditate ka to get your ex back. And that's absolutely wrong. Kasi ang ginagawa mo lang, you are being psychologically tortured by that kasi wala namang kayo right now. But may meditate na yung ex mo, bumalik sa life mo. Napaka-lame, napaka-lampa, napaka-weak naman ng ganun. It is really hard to do because mag-e-end up ka in a psychological suffering because of that. And that's not really advisable. Ewan ko ba sa iba, parang hindi sila nag-iisip. Kasi at the end of the day, bilang coach base, bumibase pa rin ako sa psychology and science. Although merong law of attraction, that is a really unique advice. But at the end of the day, I really understand how it works. That is why I understand kung paano mo dapat ito gawin ng tama. Okay, ang dami kong sinabi, pero sa simpleng salita, ang advice ko lang is isipin mo na mag-i-improve ka, isipin mo na magiging more attractive ka sa paanong paraan. Isulat mo sa papel lahat ng mga tingin mong gusto mong mangyari sa'yo, mga self-improvement na gusto mong mangyari sa'yo. Gusto mong gumanda, gusto mong gumuwapo, gusto mong umayos yung financial life mo, gusto mo ng bahay, gusto mo ng kotse, gusto mo ng magandang life, gusto mo ng well-being, imaginein mo lahat yon. Lahat yon imaginein mo. At yun yung i-claim mo during Law of Attraction meditation time. Pag nag-meditate ka ng Law of Attraction, yun yung i-meditate mo, yun yung i-meditate mo, yun yung i-meditate mo. That's how you meditate things. And the world itself, ang mundo, ang universe, it will grant you what you want. At kapag binigay yung attraction sa'yo, yun yung spark. Napakapangit naman sabihin na dahil lang doon ibabalik natin yung ex mo. Pero ganun yung mangyayari eventually. Talagang babalik ang ex mo kasi yung attraction level mo, pina-increase mo, pina-level up mo, pinataas mo just because of that meditation. Eh. And that is really interesting. Kaysa isipin mo at i-meditate mo ang ex mo pabalik, you should meditate about yourself. You should attract yourself. Ganun ang gawin mo. So you can get your ex back. But do not think that one as a reward. Medyo reverse psychology tayo ng konti. Medyo magulo sana. Kaya nga reverse psychology. Pero sana nauunawaan nyo. All I'm talking about is you need to attract yourself first. Kailangan ma-inlove ka sa sarili mo. And eventually, everyone will follow. Malay ba natin kung sa sobrang attractive mo na hindi ka na pala interesado sa ex mo, di ba? So, itchapwera na siya. Anyways, for one-on-one coaching, message ka lang sa Philippine Dating Coach. Thanks for watching.